Well, Pam, which way you going? Left or right?
Right.
Ah, that's too bad.
Why?
Well, because it was a 50-50 shot on whether you'd be going left or right. You see, we're both going left. You could have just as easily been going left, too, and if that was the case, it would have been a while before you started getting scared. But since you're going the other way, I'm afraid you're gonna have to start getting scared immediately.
But if you just stop right now, you know, and let me out, I'll never tell anybody because I know it's a joke. I know all about jokes. I promise everything will be fine. Just let me out. Please. And
Hey, Pam! Remember when I said this car was death-proof? Well, that wasn't a lie. This car is 100% death-proof. Only to get the benefit of it, honey, you really need to be sitting in my seat.